fussy sleeper. And, oh, quite fussy, yeah. So, let's get on with the video. So, I go to bed around, school night about midnight, 11, 1, around that time. And weekends around 4ish. That's not in the afternoon. That is in the fucking morning. I just literally can't go to bed before 10 AM. It's like, I don't know, it's just too light outside even though it's really dark now. It's just super dark. And if you think there's a light on me, that's my laptop. Because I have notes down there. Oh my god, my mattress. Oh, I could have sex with it any day of the week. It is so nice and soft and lovely. My bed is so comfy. Even people who come around my house, they say it's really comfy. And my friend, I said, oh yeah, I don't know why I was comparing beds. I rated mine 8 or 10, and I think she did it like 7 or 8 out of 10. And I took a picture of my bed and she was like, oh my god, that looks so comfy. Round hotel nights, I cannot get to sleep first night. I go to bed about 5 or 3 around that time. But at hotels second night, I'm like, okay, go in bed at midnight because you haven't really got Wi-Fi, so you can't really talk to anyone unless you go out and like, ew, people. Alright, once I get to sleep, you're not waking me up in a hurry. I've been known to sleep through thunderstorms, anything really. A lot of things actually, but a tornado will probably wake me up. Just saying, just word of warning. Oh my god. No, okay. I'm the worst in the mornings. This bloody thing. Alright, do you see this? That's loud, isn't it? Or loud-ish, yeah. That's supposed to wake me up in the morning, but no. It's called sleep. Turn it off. Go back to bed. 8 o'clock. Oh shit. I have assembly today. Sprint. Sprint. Oh shit, I'm 5 minutes late. I live like 40 minutes away from my school, so it's kind of hard to get there. And I don't get my car, so I have to walk every day. Got a bus once. Yeah. Ew, people. Only one earphone worked it, that's hell. So, yes. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on Friday for a Q&A. Bye.